yun ay kayang palitan kung sino man yung taong may root access. Sino-sino po yung mga taong may root access sa inyo? Who are they? Give me the names.
The root
Yo, what's up happy people? For today's video mga kuis magayas, ay pwede palang manipulahin ang resulta ng loto. Kaya po, nagdududa na ang taong bayan at ang mga senador, especially po si Idol Raffy Tulfo po. Kaya pinatawag po ang manager o ang team ng PCSO sa Senado mga kuis magayas, no? Kagimbal-gimbal po ang ating maririnig ng kanilang pag-uusap ukol sa nangyaring dagdag na 500 million pesos nung panahon ng Kapaskuhan, December sa 649, 655 at saka sa 658. So without further ado, let's begin.
Okay. Now, isa pa dito sa nakausap ko na IT experts. Sample, tataya sa Novaliches ng numerong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then, alam niyo po yung root, kung tawagin? Root access.
I'm sorry, Mr. Chairman, may I refer you to...
Sino bang IT expert niyo? Root access sa computer.
Yeah,
Do you know what I'm saying? If you're really an expert sa IT, if you're really an IT expert, you should know what is the root access means. Okay. So, naintindihan. Nagkakaintindihan tayo. At least meron isa dito na nakaintindi. So, tataya ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sabihin natin sa Novaliches. And then, after matayaan yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pupunta ngayon doon sa main computer system na may root access, yung taong may root access, na pagkatapos ng draw na 9 o'clock, lumabas 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Napapalo nyo?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So lumabas yung 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 na yan ha, nitong si Juan. So yung merong root access, papalitan niya sa computer yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 na tinayaan. Kahit na ito'y tinaya sa outlet. Gagawin niyang 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Same serial number, same everything, except yung papalitan niya is the numero. Kasi nga, sa outlet, wala namang resibo. Right? May resibo pa from the Pulay? Wala, di ba?
Meron po. May tickets.
Okay. Pero sa Lotto outlet, may resibo. Pero sa iLotto, wala.
Meron din po, electronic.
Yeah, it's a QR out, but no,
Okay.
no.
Pero
Electronic.
where do you keep those receipts?
There's,
So meron kayong receipt sa lahat ng taya?
you mean the physical lotto?
Yes. Kayo na sa outlet.
Yeah.
So halimbawa may
can
tumaya sa
trace.
inyo.
Yeah, we
Meron
have
kayong resibo na sa resibo ng taya, ibig sabihin yung tumaya.
we know.
Yung numerong tinayaan.
Actually, we know po the the computer itself of the provider has the number. That's why they know kung nanalo sa outlet.
No,
namin.
what I'm trying to say, Ms. Javier, ng
Sorry
National President ng Pulaay, pakisabi mo na anong isa ng Pulaay, ma'am?
Philippine Online Lottery Agents Association, Inc.
Very good. Ang ibig sabihin, kapag halimbawa ang isang tao tumaya doon sa machine ninyo, sa outlet, di ba? Okay, nabigyan siya nung ticket niya. Meron din ba kayong physical receipt doon sa numero mga tinayaan niya with serial number?
Wala po.
Okay. So, wala. Siyempre, yung receipt na sinasabi niya na meron, yun yung receipt na napupunta
Yes po.
sa better.
Yes, Chair.
Pero
Mr. Chair.
walang naiiwang resibo sa inyo para malaman nyo physical evidence na yung tinayaan ng better kung ano yon.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Still follow me? Kaya nga, yun sinasabi ko. So, yung may root access na tao, papalitan niya ngayon yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at gagawin niyang 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? And then, yung serial number stays and all. Pagkatapos niyan, ng magmanipula, magkakaroon na siya ngayon ng ticket na 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 from a machine na nakatago somewhere. Well, of course, you're gonna say no. I'm not asking you, ma'am. Sorry, I'm not asking you. I'm asking the yung IT na merong alam sa root access, and then of course the DICT. Please don't answer if I'm not addressing to you. Please don't answer, please. At wag po kayong iling-iling, please. Just stay calm and composed, okay? Ma'am Cireles.
Yes po, Mr. Chair, good morning po. That cannot be done po, na we will be inserting or changing the bets that is to a winning number doon po. Kasi po, we have established procedure that is ISO certified, and after when we draw the balls po, the winning number, and then that will be inputted into our system, and that's the time po na ma-generate kung meron pong winner or wala. So, and then that will be
But what I'm saying is, yun ay kayang palitan kung sino man yung taong may root access. Sino-sino po yung mga taong may root access sa inyo? Who are they? Give me the names.
the root, the
Di
super,
ba dapat dalawa yan? Merong isang tao tapos merong isa na nakatago dapat sa safe.
yes po,
Okay.
that
Now,
is,
give me the names of the person na merong root access because I need to check his credibility.
apo, that is the GM po, and sir,
So, si GM ang may root access?
apo, our GM po, he has the super user account po, and the administrator account, and I think, Sir Ernel, you have or another, yes, admin, and Sir AJM Casas, which is,
So marami merong hawak sa root access?
we have two po.
2. So, si GM, sino yung pangalawa?
Si Sir Arnel po, because he's the Assistant General for the gaming
Arnel
sector.
Casas. Okay. So, si Arnel Casas is, Mr. Casas is the AGM. Okay. So, dalawa. Di ba dapat meron pa isa nasa sa vault yan dapat? O wala na? Dalawa lang.
Dalawa.
Now, my question to you, DICT, is it possible na yung mga taong may root access can edit, yung sinasabi nga niya, once na lumabas yung mga games, agad-agad automatic, magsasabing may winner o wala.
Mr. Chair, sorry, but we shall verify such information with our principals and technical experts. Accordingly, we shall integrate the same in our position paper, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So that will be on our next hearing, gusto ko po magpalabas. Pero pwedeng gawin kung gugustuhin. Is that a correct statement from me? Kung gugustuhin, kaya. Pero hindi nyo ginagawa
Opo, with the safeguards po, that is not possible.
with the safeguards. And what are those safeguards?
That is po, we immediately, like what I have said po kanina, we have the production system, the one, yung pong ginagamit natin, and the backup. So we immediately match the result of that, so that we will establish that there's no insertion or
So, kaya nga,
whatever.
who is that person na who's doing the matching, sabi mo?
The matching po, the data security.
Data security?
Opo,
And who
then,
is that person?
it's a team po.
Team. And who's the team
Headed
leader?
by po with Ralavin.
Data security.
Opo, Data
Mind
Security
you,
Division.
let me tell you a brief story. There's the biggest scandal in the US na kung saan yung chip security, data security nila nagmanipula ng lotto game at nakulong.
But he
So
is
you said
not,
data security.
Opo.
Hindi ko pinagbibintangan itong taon to. Pero nabasa mo yon yung scandal sa US, lotto scandal sa US? Si, is that Lipton? Tipton. Siya yung data security chief. Pumasok siya sa computer system. This is an online game. Minanipula niya. Okay. Sinasabi ko lang yun. Di na pangdagdag information. So, the data security,
Yes. There are
And?
representatives also from the Internal Audit Service Department.
which is part of the PCSO.
Yes po.
Okay.
And then,
Walang tagalabas.
meron po, the COA, Commission on Audit po, Mr. Chair.
Kasama nanonood.
Yes po. They are part of...
No, pag pag yung nanalo na yung numero and then sinisiguro na yung numerong nanalo ay tinitingnan, gumagawa ng matching whether on that particular game somebody won or did not win. Nandun yung COA?
Yes, part of the audit po, sir.
Hindi, kasi binanggit mo yung COA. Okay ako sa... gusto ko dapat nandun yung COA kasi kung kayo sa PCSO, may pagdududa pa rin sa taong bayan. So, dapat may independent. So, meron taga-COA. And who is that from COA? Nandun ba talaga mismo yung COA physically present?
Yes po, Mr. Chair. They're always there po.
They are. So, isa pa maraming taga-COA.
Yes po, they are also a group or a team po.
They are there as a team?
Yes po, there are representatives po for every draw to audit the
Same
draw
representative
process.
all the time?
They're on a shifting or rotation schedule.
Mga ilan?
How many sa co-op? Maybe 12 to 15 po.
So, 12. Alam mo kung ba't ko tinatanong ito lahat? Para masatisfy. Itong lahat ng katanungan ko, galing to, hindi ito gawa-gawa ko lang.
Yes, Mr.
Ito'y galing sa mga nakakausap ko na nagdududa. Kaya dapat masagot ito ng tama dahil kapag hindi nyo nasagot ng tama, yung pagdududa hindi mawawala. So we're here to make sure na maalis yung pagdududa sa isip ng mga tao.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay, so ngayon, meron taga-COA. Sure ka. And I need a record and a CCTV. Dapat yan hindi pwedeng sa kwarto kayo-kayo lang. Dapat may CCTV recorded and all yung ginagawa. Napapalo ba yan?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
How is it being done?
Opo, it is written in our ISO certified process po that this procedure should be done and participated by
Well,
these
it should be done.
representatives.
Madali yan sabihin, should be done. But is it being done?
Yes po, Mr.
And
Chair.
you have proof na it is being done properly, which is paano? Sa isang room?
Yes po, in a room po where the machine or the equipment is there.
Okay.
And then it is recorded po.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's a CCTV din po on that room.
Okay. Na para sinasabi na may nanalo or walang nanalo.
Yes po. And they attach their signatures on that report.
Okay. Pero just the same, kayo ang nakakaalam nga noon na may nanalo wala. Pero kami sa public, we don't know yet. Until na kayo mag-release ng inyong statements sa PCSO. Now, halimbawa na lang, ito yung wild imaginations from the bettors. Nagsabuatan lahat. Halimbawa na lang. So, yung may root access, kaya pa rin manipulahin yon. Nag-usap-usap lahat, mga chief, mga bossing, mga friendship, tahimik na kayo dyan. Papalitan natin itong through the root access, may root access, palitan natin, palabasin natin na may nanalo. Hindi nyo ginawa yon. Wala akong binibintang. Possible or not.
Tama. Cut off na po. All bets are separated in a flash drive. Standalone po yun. It's not online. So, hiwalay na po yun. So, for that alone, hindi na po pwedeng ma-insert yun. May stand-alone po na computer. In fact, pag nanonood po ang mga tao sa amin, almost real time po ang pagpasok ng bola dun sa stand-alone na yun. So, I don't think it's possible kasi hindi na ho online yun Nasa drive na yun Kaya kami po sa group namin, nauuna po kaming malaman because almost simultaneous po, paglabas ng number, pindot siya. Almost simultaneous po. So, wag ko kayo mag-alala, there's no way mape-penetrate nila dahil nakihiwalay na po yung lahat ng bets na pumasok. Hindi na po pwedeng dagdagan yon. At our cut-off, kaya po 8:30 kami, cut-off na po yun. At 9 o'clock, draw na po. But there's a 30-minute yan na hindi na po pwedeng pasukan ng bets. Kahit po gustuhin, even online, hindi na po nila may papasok.
Dahil ano po, Mr. Robles, dahil
Kasi po, kaya stand-alone na po yan, kumbaga nakaseparate na po
and that's
ito.
computer.
Yung flash drive po,
Flash drive.
doon na po lahat ng
Let me
bet.
remind you, Mr. Robles, I'm not an IT expert. Okay, hindi ako nagmamagalingan. Pero lahat ng computer kayang i-corrupt.
Well,
In fact, the best computer, the most secured computer, even sa Pentagon na computer, supposed to be the most safest and guarded computer on this planet ay na-corrupt o na-penetrate ng isang hacker. So don't tell me yung computer ninyo na sinasabi mo drive, hindi kayo makorrupt
Na,
yan.
I'm just saying, Your Honor, that that's the process that we have. Kaya, para pala
I
ito,
understand, Mr.
mahirap.
Robles. Yes. I'm not saying na nandaraya kayo.
So ayun nga mga kois, mga gayas, no. Kung natapos nyo ang video, ayon po sa ating nalalaman o narinig na pwede talagang manipulahin yung resulta para mayroon pong mananalo. Depende kung sino po yung gustong ipapanalo nila. Pero hindi pa po yan final dahil papasok na po dyan ang mga expert IT or cybercrime, mga kois, mga guys, no. Kung naman talaga na may katiwalian, mayroong pong di magandang play ng loto o sila-sila lang ba yung mananalo, malalaman po natin yan sa next video. Part 1 pa lang po ito, ha. Okay. Kaya dahil umabot ka sa dulo ng ating video, may karapatan ka pong mag-like, share, and subscribe. So for now, I'm gone. God bless all. Peace.